when our two nations entered into a landmark agreement to foster mutual scientific and technological growth. To translate this vision into concrete action, our inaugural program of cooperation was signed on September 22nd in 2011. Designed to be renewed every 3 years, this robust framework has empowered us to execute vital scientific projects and collaborative workshops by effectively leveraging our shared resources. Over the years, this partnership has grown exponentially through consecutive cycles of innovation. To date, we have successfully progressed through 5 distinct programs of cooperation phases, with each milestone further strengthening the bridge of knowledge between our nations. As we step into the 2024 research cycle, the enthusiasm from our respective scientific communities has reached an unprecedented peak. We received an overwhelming and historic response of over 430 research and workshop proposals. Following a rigorous joint evaluation process centered on national priority areas and strict criteria, I am absolutely delighted to announce that 16 research projects and workshops have been successfully selected for implementation.
It gives me great pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to the August gathering as we mark the commencement of the 4th program of cooperation on science and technology between India and Sri Lanka. The Science and Technology Agreement, signed between our two countries in 2008, reflects a shared belief that innovation, research, and knowledge partnerships are powerful drivers of sustainable development. Over the past 18 years, this framework has fostered meaningful collaboration between our scientists, researchers, and institutions, creating lasting partnerships that have benefited both our countries. I am delighted that under the 4th program of cooperation, 16 research projects and 22 joint workshop programs have been approved. These initiatives will bring together researchers from India and Sri Lanka to address common challenges, advance scientific knowledge, and develop practical solutions in areas of mutual interest.
We received over 430 research proposals and 200 workshop proposals. Fills me with immense pride. It reflects the immense curiosity and hunger for innovation within our scientific communities. I wish to congratulate the team behind the 16 selected research projects and 22 workshops. The proposals survived a highly competitive and rigorous joint evaluation process. This means your work holds the highest potential to address the pressing economic, socio-economic, and technological needs of our time. Today, the world faces challenges recognized earlier: climate change, food insecurity, public health crisis, and the need for clean energy. Solutions to these problems will not come from isolated efforts. They will emerge from collaborative laboratories, shared data, and joint intellectual ventures like the ones we are celebrating today. To our researchers and scientists from both Sri Lanka and India, you are the architects of our future. Your findings will drive policy, spark new industries, and improve the quality of life millions of people in our region. Our government remains fully committed to fostering an environment where science can thrive free of barriers. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Government of India, the Indian High Commissioner to Sri Lanka, the Department of Science and Technology India, and our own ministry officials to their tireless work in keeping this partnership vibrant and effective.